Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. It says uranium glass, but did they check to see if it closed? 15. Ooh. $50 though. Because it's 50, that's probably retail. Ooh, crafter's dream. Look at this. I mean, there can be money in fabrics, but you have to know what you're looking for.
Yeah.
This is only a quid. This is. Ooh, I might grab some before I go. I like this guy. Oh, there's a penguin, but he's 4. I don't know. 2. Oh, he's got a chipped ear. John Bestwick. How much are these? You like that, do you?
Yeah.
John Bestwick 3. Wow, that's cool looking. I'm sorry? Oh, yeah. Oh, this made in USSR.
This is book from 1933.
4. What's this? 1933, huh? Punch and Judy.
Century. Bowl. 7 bowl.
How much is it? It's missing all the other parts.
It's £5.
Hmm. This one does not have a price on it. It's mustard. Jem,
Yes.
can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
I'm obviously using my phone, so can you look some stuff up for me? There's a bunch of things I want to look up. Oh my goodness, look at this guy.
There you go. Do you just want to take my phone?
Yeah, eBay I need. Do you want to carry my stuff for me?
Yep.
You're a peach. Thank you. Careful. Oh, it's Paddington.
How is it?
Yeah.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
No, I think that's it, then, mate.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's cute.
If you're the gentleman that makes the prices, how much is this guy?
Okay. So look.
Do you want this? Here you go.
This guy next to him was 3, so I don't know if you keep things around the same price or not, but I figured if I had to.
£5 a pair for them.
Awesome, thank you. Oh my gosh, Sarah would love this.
I know. I thought that before I was going to show
And I know if Sarah saw it, she would say, Jess would love that.
you. She always does. Everywhere we go, she's like, Jess would like this. Jess would like this. You know how I was in the game shop then?
Yeah.
She says that about you in places like this.
Does she?
All the time. All the time.
Making a pile. Oops. This little sticker
I've been
fell.
sending her pictures. I sent a picture back to her.
Send her this. Is this for the... I need prices on these Disney things if he comes. Yeah, can you ask him when he comes? These actually go with the decanter that's around the side.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Four. How much are these Disney guys?
What?
Yeah, these guys.
Oh, see, I don't know about Disney. All the stuff I know about. Disney, I don't. £6 the set.
£6 for the set.
Yeah.
All right then. You drive a hard bargain. Thank you. I love Disney stuff. Hard to say no.
What I'm doing, I'm putting prices on them as I.
Well in your way, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Is everything you've got you on your game?
At the moment, yeah.
Would these look good in the living room, babe?
Yeah, possibly. Chess, we just saw that, didn't we? Look, the strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, we did. Oh, look at him.
He's nice.
Look at this little pig. Oh my God, so cute. This chipmunk. Best week, best week. Can't read what that says. Oh my God, I could buy a whole bunch of this stuff. I gotta start adding up. Yeah. Ooh, look at this elephant. Ooh, he's a hefty boy.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah. All scratched on the bottom though. Software. Ooh, we're beat up. Nah. Okay. What do we got? This canoe. Look at this canoe.
Sarah's like, where's this? Tinkly.
It's a canoe. That's interesting. Does that say four? Does that say 4? Is that what that's supposed to say?
This is really nice.
It might be. Might be. Let me see. I don't have my light with me. Is there a price on it?
Where are you getting that?
A canoe?
Yeah.
It's different.
What, you can pick you?
No. Babe, I'm filming. I wonder how much that is. Oh, these are little crabs. Interesting. Bit rough on the bottom though. What do we think these are? Oh, just little. These could be worth picking up, I guess. It's just not my style, so I don't get them. I usually pick this kind of stuff up, but I don't know. Sometimes I'm not always in the mood to pick up the same things I always see. How much does that say on there?
What's that, sorry? What?
The price.
On this?
How much does it say? Oh, they don't have any
Set of
markings.
6 tea sets, £6.
They don't have markings.
That's right, £6.
What do you think? New shoes?
Shall I try it on?
Yes.
Oh god, no.
I like stuff like this, but it can sit for a long time. So much more I could grab, I just don't know. It's a hedgehog. A glass hedgehog. He's 6 though. Alright. I guess I shall go. 2 more things, please.
I have no idea who set them up.
No,
I don't. That's cash, yeah?
Yes, please.
Right, so that's £36 in total.
What do we got here? There we go.
Brilliant, thank you.
Thank you.